You're staring at the screen for 20 minutes, not watching, just scrolling. Your brain is overheating, but you haven't made a single move. You think you're being careful. You're actually just dying in slow motion. 40,000 choices today. We were told choice is freedom. It's a lie. It's a prison cell with glass walls. Today, we dissect the rot. We're weaponizing the rule of 3 to kill the noise and reclaim your momentum. This is Unforced Mind. Let's cut the fat. In 2000, they studied jam, 24 flavors versus 6. People loved the variety, but they only bought when the options were stripped down. Why? Because your brain isn't a supercomputer. It's a biological machine with a finite fuel tank. Every maybe leaks energy. When options increase, you hit 2 walls. The morning of alternatives. Choosing A means killing B, C, and D. Your brain hates loss more than it loves winning. The skeptic's shadow. The more paths you see, the more you doubt the one you're on. You're not walking, you're looking over your shoulder. High performers don't have better options, they just have fewer. Perfection is the enemy of movement. 3 is the limit of human clarity. It's a pattern, not a list. Anything more is clutter. Here is how you weaponize it. Now. 1. The sacrifice filter. Next time you're stuck, look at your list and execute the rest. Delete everything until you have 3. Not 4, 3. If you can't kill the others, they'll kill your progress. 2. The spectrum. Good, great, wild card. Stop looking for 3 identical options. Pick 1 safe bet, 1 high-reward play, 1 total outlier. This satisfies the skeptic in your head because you've covered the entire horizon without the fog. 3. The 60-second ultimatum. Once you have your 3, you have 60 seconds. If you can't decide, it means the value difference is negligible. Pick at random and sprint. A wrong decision acted upon is better than a perfect one that never happens. The voice in your head will whisper, "But what if I miss out?" Wake up, you're already missing out. You're missing the results of the action you're too paralyzed to take. Knowing isn't doing. Your library of unread books and saved videos is just a digital graveyard. Information is a burden. Movement is power. Your mind is a high-performance engine, but you're clogging the gears with options. Stop searching, start filtering. Apply the rule of 3 to 1 thing today: your task list, your dinner, your next career move. If this clicked, you know what to do with the subscribe button. 1 click, your first of 3 choices today. This is Unforced Mind. Now go make a choice. Just one.